what's up, Fudgies? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be opening the new Ultimate Warrior that I got. It's Elite Collection, and on the back it says Ultimate Warrior. Titles: WWE Champion and Intercontinental Champion. And then it says, an imposing figure debuted in the Dallas-based promotion WCCW in 1986. This face-painted powerhouse known as the Dingo Warrior dominated the competition before blazing a road to WWE. There, he evolved into Ultimate Warrior, set a new standard for strength and perseverance, and left a legacy as one of the most unforgettable WWE champions of all time. And then it has AJ Styles, Ultimate Warrior again, Ken Shamrock, and Shawn Michaels. And why it's referring to Dingo Warrior is this face paint that he's wearing is Dingo Warrior, and then this one is Ultimate Warrior. So let's get him out of the package. Just put him from the side. And here he is, Dingo Warrior. So let's get him out of the package. Oh my gosh. Yeah, he has a lot of detail. It's pretty realistic. Oh, there's a zip tie. Pull it. Let's get it around. Okay. That's what I don't like about these. Is these zip ties. There we go. Finally, I got Dingo Warrior out. He's pretty realistic. That looks absolutely real. Feels like a regular figure. He's an elite. Got all that rotation. So here's Dingo Warrior. And he has like all these stuff wrapped around him. You know how he is. He wraps like all this stuff around him. This is my uncle's favorite. This is my uncle's favorite wrestler. Here he is. So there he is out of the package. He's got all those abs and pretty strong. This is when he was in WCCW. So yeah, let's get the hands out and Ultimate Warrior out. Let's get the Ultimate Warrior out. So there's the Ultimate Warrior. Check that out. Oh, that looks really realistic. It got all that hair stuff. Let's see if we can put it on right now. Let's see. Okay. for the click. It's on. Oh, I think it's on. And there it is. Yeah, it's on. And here is the Ultimate Warrior. Check that out. It's really real. Like you got the throat, the head sculpt. And then here's this Dingo Warrior that took off. Yeah, this is really sick. How they designed him. And then I'll get his hands. He has 2 different hands. He has this open hand out. Open hands.
You can't even spin the blade, so you can't spin the blade.
And he's got open arms as well. Check that out. He's got open arms. So yeah. Dingo Warrior head. So yeah, I really like this figure. I just got this at Target. And it's pretty nice. It is ultimate, yeah. This is really awesome. I just can't believe how they did this. It's so cool. So there he is. Ultimate Warrior. So yeah, that's like all for this video. Stay fudgy. Peace.